Today I'm going to show you a minimal ingredient series called buttered chili crabs. We have our butter, onion, and garlic, 1 kilo of crabs, and your bottle of sweet chili sauce. Our Philippine version of this is more on the sweet side. And our crabs have been parboiled. We heat our pan and place our 2 tablespoons of butter. When melted, we add our 2 heads of onion. When translucent, we add our 4 cloves of garlic diced. When your garlic is cooked, we add our sweet chili sauce. So we just mix this. And to our empty bottle of sweet chili sauce, we just add equal amount of water. Shake and add to our pan. We simmer this for a while to reduce our sauce. To this, we add our crabs. We simmer this until our sauce is thick. So when your sauce is reduced, add another 2 tablespoons of butter to layer our flavor. This is optional. Now we wait for our butter to melt. You may have noticed that I didn't put any salt or pepper. If you prefer, you can add it, but for me, this is just right, because I wanted the buttery flavor. Again, this is another very easy recipe. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.